So this is going to be a quick recap of yesterday's price action, right? I'm going to try to do one of these every day so people can see these happening and see that I'm not cherry picking these setups, right? They're literally happening every day. So 345 to 451. That's the London cycle that we focus on, right? For the London traders or for the pre-market traders, depending on what price action is doing. What has happened here? We've created an imbalance, filled an imbalance, nothing to do here. If you're new, you're waiting for 451 because that's when the range ends. We open within a previous cycle's range. So we're going to sweep either side. What happens when we get there? Potential entry models here, right? My personal entry model is not here, which is why I did not go short. But there's something here, right? There's up candle, order block, there's FVG created, something here that multiple people can easily go short on. The entry model is not important. It's the level, right? Why do we not sweep those highs and stop here? Because this range is important, right? What happens after the sweep? Did we expand or did we consolidate? How can you define a consolidation during pre-market or late London? We're still trading within that range. You need to be able to quantify things. You should be able to quantify what order flow is. You need to quantify what a consolidation is. This is how I quantify it. This, we take the low. The low has not been taken. This, look at how they're printing lows just about above a time-based low. This in the true meaning of the word. Forget structural stuff. This is a failure swing because it's failed to take out that low. That's the way I view it. A true failure swing. We take this low out, right? I went long somewhere in here because this was just stalling or accumulating for the open. Long, I took here on a live call with some friends of mine. This is not something I'd take down here because that's a full scam. All I did was catch a momentum trade and I was in and out very quickly. Let's look at the M5 PM session range. PM session range is where? Right here, these two lines. Okay? PM session range low. PM session range high. Oops, not there, sorry. Here. Beautiful, right? So I wonder why we reverse exactly at that time. This creates a high. We sweep that high, multiple wicks. This, if I was awake and I was still trading, I was short inside this gap. Beautiful entry here. But what I want you guys to see is how these setups, if you're patient enough, and most people aren't, will present you a setup, a reversal setup, almost every day of the week. Again, we take this low out. They just run this a little bit deeper than expected, which is completely fine. All you have to do is look for an M1 entry model inside here that will let you position yourself long or short. This, you could also look for M1 entry model in there. It really can be that easy. It's not always going to be an easy day like this, but if you have proper risk management and wait for certain things to appear, you should have no problem being profitable. You've been kept in the dark about all these kinds of things on purpose, maybe not on purpose. I don't know. I'm not here to speculate, but I can guarantee you that if you're trading the same strategy as every other person out there, it doesn't have a positive alpha rather, over a long period of time. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick review. Two trades, two wins. That's it. Talk soon.